Hello everyone, welcome to lecture number 4 of Turbo Machine. In this session I am going to explain about force exerted by a jet on a moving plates. The following cases of the moving plates will be considered. First case is flat plate vertical moving in the direction of a jet and away from the jet. Second case is inclined plate moving in the direction of a jet, and third case curved plate moving in the direction of the jet or in the horizontal direction. Let us start with the first case, force exerted on a flat plate moving in the direction of a jet. Figure shows a jet of water striking a flat vertical plate moving with a uniform velocity away from the jet. V is the velocity of jet, A is the area of cross section of jet, U is the velocity of the flat plate. In this case, the jet does not strike the plate with a velocity v, but it strikes with a relative velocity, which is equal to the absolute velocity of jet of water minus the velocity of the plate. Hence, the relative velocity of jet with respect to the plate is v minus u. Mass of water striking the plate per second is equal to rho a in bracket v minus u. So, force exerted by jet on a moving plate in the direction of jet, that is Fx is equal to mass of water striking per second in bracket initial velocity with which water strikes minus final velocity. If you put the values of initial and final velocity, we get Fx is equal to rho a in bracket v minus u and in another bracket v minus u. If you simplify this, you get fx is equal to rho a v minus u bracket square. That is our equation number first. Now to calculate the work done per second, the formula is, we know F into distance traveled by the plate in a direction of a force per second. So substitute the value of force from equation number first, that is rho a in bracket v minus u bracket square into u. The unit is Newton meter per second. If the value of rho for water is taken in SI units, 1 Newton meter per second is equal to 1 watt. Let us consider second case, force exerted by jet on an inclined plate moving in a direction of a jet. Let a jet of water strikes an inclined plate which is moving with a uniform velocity in a direction of jet as shown in a figure. Here v is the absolute velocity of jet of water, u is the velocity of the plate in a direction of jet, a is the cross section area of a jet, and theta is the angle between jet and plate. Relative velocity of jet with respect to plate is capital V minus u. Mass of water striking the plate is equal to rho a in bracket v minus u. If the plate is smooth and loss of energy due to impact of jet is assumed 0, the jet of water will leave the inclined plate with a velocity equal to v minus u. The force exerted by jet of water on the plate in the direction normal to the plate is given by Fn is equal to mass striking per second in bracket initial velocity in the normal direction with which jet strikes minus final velocity. So put the values of velocities, we get Fn is equal to rho a v minus u in bracket v minus u into sine theta minus 0. If you simplify this, you get rho a v minus u bracket square sine theta. This is our equation number first. This normal force Fn is resolved into two components, namely Fx and Fy in the direction of jet and perpendicular to the direction of jet respectively. So Fx is equal to Fn cos 90 minus theta is equal to Fn sin theta. If you substitute the value of Fn from equation first, you get the equation number 2. In other way, to find out the force acting in a y direction, that is Fy is equal to Fn sin 90 minus theta, that is Fn cos theta. Substitute the value of Fn from equation number first, we get the equation number 3. Now to find out the work done per second in the direction of a jet is equal to Fx into distance per second in the direction of x. So Fx into u. Substitute the value of Fx from equation number 2. We get the work done per second in the direction of a jet. The unit is Newton meter per second. Now consider the third case. Jet striking symmetrical moving curve plate at the center and moving in the direction of a jet. Let us jet of water strikes a curved plate at the center of the plate, which is moving in a uniform velocity in the direction of jet. V is the absolute velocity of jet, A is the area of jet, U is the velocity of plate in a direction of a jet. The component of velocity in a direction of jet is minus in bracket V minus U cos theta. Negative sign is taken at the outlet. The component is in the opposite direction of a jet. The component of velocity in a direction perpendicular to the direction of jet is V minus U sin theta. Mass of water striking per second is equal to rho A in bracket V minus U. Now find out the force exerted by jet in a direction of a jet. Fx is equal to rho A V minus U in bracket initial velocity minus final velocity. So substitute the values of velocity, we get rho A V minus U bracket square in another bracket 1 plus cos theta. This is our equation number first. Now find out the work done by jet on the plate per second. Fx into U. Substitute the value of Fx here. We get the work done by jet. On the plate per second. Now to find out the kinetic energy of a jet per second is equal to 1/2 mv square. We get the kinetic energy of a jet. Suppose if you want to find out the efficiency of jet, the formula for this is work done upon kinetic energy. Here we have already calculated work done and kinetic energy. Substitute that values, we get the efficiency of jet. Now based on these conditions, you try to solve numericals. Thanks for listening carefully.